So I was explaining in the video that, I mean, this mosque is very humble. I mean, yes, it is beautiful, but it is very simple and very humble. It has nothing to do with big mosques, megalomaniac mosques.
लेट मी ट्रांसलेट, यानी ये कह रहे हैं कि ये मस्जिद बहुत ही सादगी वाली है। हालांकि अकबर कितना बड़ा बादशाह था, लेकिन उसने इस मस्जिद में सादगी रखी है, बड़ी बात है।
Akbar mosque and Akbar style of architecture is big and grand.
असल में क्या है कि ये मस्जिद जो सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है उनके अंडरटेकिंग है। यहाँ पर कोई भी लोकल आदमी इसमें एक कील भी नहीं लगा सकता है।
Now this mosque is under the protection of the central government, so no masses are allowed to do anything else. Only for them.
Which is beautiful. Now it's something, I get it, but Akbar built this mosque here on a Hindu land. He could, had he wanted to, he was the emperor. If he wanted to, he could have built the biggest mosque ever on the mountain, right there, next to the castle. He could have destroyed one temple and built a big mosque. He could make like Babur, go next to a temple.
यानी अकबर की हिकमत ये है कि उसने कहीं अटैक नहीं किया, हिंदुओं की किसी चीज को नहीं छेड़ा। यहाँ पे क्या नाम है, यहाँ पे जो महल है, इस महल को नहीं छेड़ा। अपनी मस्जिद बनाई, छोटी सी जमीन पे जितना बना सकता बना ली।
That's respect, because this is a Hindu land. When he came to Jaipur, they were all Hindus, no Muslims. He just built a mosque.
इस तरह उसने सबका रेस्पेक्ट किया, हिंदुओं का रेस्पेक्ट किया।
That's a lesson. I mean, not like his grandfather Babur, not like his grandson Aurangzeb. He was respectful to other people. For Akbar, the great Akbar, to build a humble, this is an imperial mosque. It's for him to pray in it. To build a humble mosque like this, it is a great thing. I mean, really, big respect. I mean, look at, for example, colonizers, Christians, when they came to India, they built huge cathedrals to impress us, right? When they went to Tunisia, etc. No, he's just, yes, he needed to control the land, to make one empire, unify the whole India, which is not a bad thing, because otherwise they'll be killing one another. So in that time, it was a necessity to unify all religions together, but he showed respect to everyone. And he built the Khana, the Ibadat Khana, where all religions were together, etc. And then I see this. This makes me very happy and very proud of Akbar and that part of history. I wish Hindus could understand that. I mean,
मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे हिंदू भाई भी इस चीज़ को समझने की कोशिश करें और इसे सराहें।